Hey guys, today I have come up with DIY math worksheets for kids of 6 years or the first graders. When you see on websites, there are a lot of ideas and worksheets in a fun way for kindergarteners and preschoolers, but when it comes to little older children, I feel, I don't know how the others feel, I feel the option is limited. So today I have come up with this based on how much my son knows. Few sheets might be quite challenging, few sheets must may be easy, so it totally depends on the child and on how much he knows and how much he can solve. So this is totally based for my son. Based on how much he knows, I have tried to cover things here. So you can see the first one, find the path through 10 to exit. This is like a maze. Do the addition and he'll have to see wherever it sums up to 10, he will have to find a way to exit. So that's one. Mostly this one has mostly addition, subtraction, problem solving for addition, subtraction, and then odd and even numbers. Then I have place value and lots more. Let's see. Right now I'm not able to recall what exactly I have done. So it took me like 2 days for me to create this book. Next one, again you see, fill the correct numbers in the blocks. I have given the numbers here and written the answer. The child has to find what has to come, so that this is like a puzzle again. This is also addition based, but each of the three sides should make number 9. This one I have given a triangle and just given the blank numbers, so you will have to figure out what are the numbers that will come here to make each side 9, each of the three sides, that is this and this. And here I will just tell you 5 plus 3, how much, 8 plus 1 can be 9. So like that. Actually I think I should have put one more circle here, I missed it, so I will do that. So similarly this one, each of three sides to make it 15. So this side, when he sums up, it has to be 15, this side also 15, and I'll add one more circle here, and this side also it should be 15. So that's one. And next one, pair the number that comes together. See, for little children, for younger children, you can use single digit numbers. Since my son is going to go to first grade now, I have used the bigger numbers. 406 will come next, is 407. So might look easy, but when the child is practically doing it, I don't think it's very easy for all the child to get this one. Now do the skip counting by 4s. My son is already good with table 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and even 6 he knows. So I'm not pressurizing him to do anything, but he sometimes he takes up his own interest and does things. So this one we are doing skip counting by 4. We are not starting with smaller numbers. We are just I'm starting with 4. So how much are 4, 8, 12, 16, and doesn't stop with 10. He can continue till where he ends here. If you want to try this, you can do with simple table. And next one, you can see here, skip counting by 6. So this again in the block I have given. So like I told, he's good till table 6. So he will come here 6, 12, 18, 24, 36, and to reach 60. Next one, reverse counting. I have given 3 blocks for reverse counting, one with 2 digit, and then 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, like that. Similarly he will have to do for rest of the things. And this is the I have given the time, and he'll have to draw the hands for these clocks. And it's not just by an hour or 30 minutes. I've also made 9:20 here, 1:10, 6:50, 2:15. So all types of all the numbers are there. Next one, solve the subtraction and match them. So we are seeing the subtraction, the answers are given here, and the table, the sums are here. 15 minus 5 is 10. So he will have to find where is 10 and pair it with that. Okay, just color or do the dot marker, anything. This one, the coding, this is a pretty interesting activity, but earlier we have never done this type of coding activity. So I have given the alphabets on the upper half circle, and then given a digit for each alphabet. He will have to complete till Z. Find out what A is 1, B is 2, like that. So that's a next one is subtraction facts. Find the subtraction facts. Again in a block I have given some numbers. There are some answers here. What the child has to do is it's here already here. 4 minus 3 is 1. So this is a subtraction. The child has to find out the facts here and then circle it. 4 minus 3, he has to put minus and is equal to. Similarly, I'll just show you something else if I can see. 10 minus 6 is 4. So he'll have to put minus here, equal here, and then circle it here. That's one. And you see here addition using the code. I haven't given the number here. Against each picture, fruits picture I have chosen, against each picture I have given some numbers, some codes. The child have to find it. Apple is 4, grape is 5, 4 plus 5, and with 3 digit we are doing it 3 digit, and orange is 3. So count all together and put the answer. So I hope you guys liking till here. Next one we see here, this one, find the worth of these Supermen. So I have written Spider-Man, Batman and Superman here. Just last activity we saw that we gave a code for each alphabet. So those codes are again written here, and the child will say what is S. S is 19, P is 16. So I know these are going to be a big number, so you can use this place to solve it. First he will do S is 19 plus 16. He will put 19 plus 16, take the answer. That answer with I is 9. So whatever is the answer here, that he has to add up with this. So till he ends here. And he's going to see which one is going to have the biggest value. So that's one. Next one, add the numbers. This is the table fact. So we've already seen doing the multiplication table. This is also a similar activities. 3 plus 3 is 6. Put 6 here. 6 plus 3 is 9. Write 9 here. 9 plus 3 is 12. Write 12 here. So like that I have for 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Like I said, he knows table till 6. That's why slowly I'm introducing 7. So that is one. Next one, add, subtract and multiply. It's a fusion sheet. You can see 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 into 4. The answer will come here. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 into 1. The answer will come here. So that is one. Next one, again, this is the problem solving for addition. So we've been doing simple problems and carry forward also he's able to do so, but we haven't started with problem solving. So this one he can write again it's all very simple. There are 15 pigs in one pen and 5 pigs in another. How many pigs in total? So 15 plus 5 and find out the answer. Simple problem solving questions on addition. Next one, we are coming here on fraction. One side I have already color coded and asked him to write the below fraction of this picture. So this will be 4 by 8. Like that he's going to complete this. The other side I have given the answer, so he'll have to code the color code the fraction parts. This is the place value activity. So again you see it's not in order. See, I have written 2000. Okay, the first one is in order. Let me take the second one. 8 in ones place, 4 in hundreds place, 1 in thousands place. So you'll have to find where's the thousand. That is 1498. So you'll have to put the right position of this place value. Next one, you can see this is addition and subtraction. I have totally 4 blocks I have given here. What makes 10? 6 plus dash is 10. What makes 15? 10 plus dash is 15. 10 plus 5 is 15. This is on the addition part. And here I have used simple numbers, simple digits. And again here you can see what makes 8. This is for the subtraction. All you can see, it's all the simple digit, easy digits. This is odd and even number. I have given stamp odd with blue and even with orange. So random numbers. These numbers were given by Ritvik himself. So he's going to just stamp it on that. Next one, you can see problem solving on subtraction. So subtraction can be called in different ways. Subtraction, giveaway or take away. Again, a very simple problems. We are going to start in problem solving method. This is a good spatial activity. Copy the pattern. It's quite big, you can see. He'll have to replicate the pattern this side. It's a good concentration activity as well. And this is again spatial activity. I have just taken the simple pictures. So I have drawn here. He'll have to replace these pictures on the other side. This is the division. Last video, if you guys have watched, I just introduced division. So very easy method. I have given here 9 divided by 3. So he'll have to group them, make them equal groups, and then find out the answer. 9 divided by 3 answer will be here. Simple division I have given here with pictures. Next one, I have this number pyramid activity. So what is number pyramid? If you guys do not know, I will quickly explain here. So the first one I have done, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 plus 3 is 5, and next you count this block, these two circles together, 3 plus 4 is 7, 4 plus 5 is 9, and then add up these two and put the answer there. Similarly, I'm just randomly here and there I have given the not randomly, I have counted and just put the some answers there. So rest of the blocks he has to fill it. I don't know how much he can do it, but I will help him if he's stuck anywhere. So complete the missing numbers. So we all know the smaller numbers and all, so that's why I have taken, I just wanted to know till 1000. Anyway, in UKG they have covered till 1000, so that's why I've given these blocks for him to fill the missing numbers. And the last page for today, you can see here, these are the ordinal numbers. Again, I'm not doing with the 1 to 10. I have written 11 to 20. I have written the number names here. You'll have to write the numbers, 11th, 14th. So this is that, and these are the Roman numbers. Roman numbers, you're just going to learn how is it written for 1, 2, 3 and up to 10. And the last activity for today, this is the circle the shape that comes next. So these are the shape. Some for little kids we have simple pattern activity like pictures and all that. So I have covered some geometry shapes here. Color coding, here it's darker and here it's lighter, and the answers are here. The child will have to look at these shapes and then look into the pattern and find what is the next pattern. That's it guys. Hope you liked my DIY sheets. If any feedback, do let me know, and thank you.